Well, thank you for joining us. I'm now joined by Nora Luetzgendorf, a scientist with the European Space Agency working on the James Webb Space Telescope. And today, we just got the first images. Nora, can you tell us what we're seeing in these first few images?
So those images that we released today, they show a lot of very different objects. So here you can see a deep field and a galaxy cluster in front of it, a big gravitational lens that is lensing the light behind it. And this image is extremely deep. We haven't really seen that deep of an image in the infrared like this. And we only observed this for 12 hours. So it was a really, really quick shot in our sense. So it's amazing.
Yeah, and so the James Webb is an infrared telescope. Can you tell us what that means?
That means we are observing in the infrared wavelength. That is a longer wavelength than the visible that Hubble was doing. And with this, we are able to actually look through gas and dust clouds, do those things that Hubble wasn't able to see, and look inside those gas and dust clouds and look at stars that are just being born or supermassive black holes. Here you see a great example of one of those stars that are born. They're in those big clouds. And that's going to be amazing with Webb in general.
Honestly, views like that are just pure magical. Now, of course, it's the most powerful telescope ever constructed. What are some of the future observations we're going to see with this?
Well, we're going to look at the very beginning of our universe, when the first stars and galaxies just formed, like right at the end of the Dark Ages. We will look for planets that are outside of our solar system. We will look for life on planets, on those parts of the universe. And we will look at birthplaces of stars and planets and supermassive black holes inside galaxies and see how they form and interact with their galaxies.
Now, you're one of the NIRSpec Instrument Scientists. What are some of the things that you're most excited to see with James Webb?
Well, I'm a really big black hole fan. I'm a black hole geek, so to say. I'm looking forward to see the supermassive black holes and to understand how their jets work, how their accretion inside of the galaxies work, how they grow, how those really, really big, massive black holes grew that quickly at the beginning of our universe. And this is something that Webb will be able to answer.
Well, Nora Luetzgendorf with the European Space Agency joining us. Thank you so much for your insight. We hope you have a great day.
Thank you.